Hey guys, welcome back. Unfortunately, my Tiburon project came to an unexpected end. There was a good reason and a tragic story behind it, but I don't want to get into it now, so if you're interested, I'll put the whole story in the description below. I did try very hard to buy another Tiburon, but here where I moved to, there just weren't very many good examples worth buying. Also, I secretly, or maybe not so secretly, wanted to get back into another SAAB project, so
Lease a SAAB 9.3 convertible as low as $399 a month.
this is my 2003 SAAB 9.3 SE. To get into a little bit of a background story, I was looking at the Hyundai Tiburon and any SAAB around the area, and I decided whichever car ends up working out is the one I'll get. I reached out to a bunch of Tiburon sellers, but none of them really worked out, but I was able to connect with some SAAB sellers, one of which was this 9.3. When I went to go see the car, I was greeted by the seller and his many SAABs, all of which in my opinion are the holy grail of SAABs. I mean, just look at his collection. That 9000 you see there is a 500 horsepower monster. So after being amazed at his collection, I worked out a deal, and long story short, I brought it home. So I brought this home last night, and on the way back, I went through some back roads with the top down, with the heater on, and man, no one ever told me that convertibles were this awesome. I wish I knew sooner. Man, it's an experience. This will stay in my fleet for a long time. Also, I got a new family car. It's a Hyundai Santa Fe. It's the one ugly car that everybody's talking about. But it's been growing on me. Actually, the interior is what makes it awesome. It's been pretty good so far. So I'll be making a video on that soon. So I'm not completely done with Hyundais. Just got a new one. It unfortunately didn't come with the correct wheels, but that's what it is. It is pretty beat up on the outside, but this was previously owned by a mechanic, a great guy, great person to deal with, and this car has 175,000 miles on it, but it drives like pretty much brand new because he took care of it so well. You can't really do much about the California sun with the clear coat, but otherwise it's very well maintained. I drove it home from San Diego to 2 hours to my place, and it drives like a new car. Actually, does it have all the jack covers? I haven't checked yet, but it has all the jack covers, I think. Oh yeah, it does. That's basically like the eighth wonder of the world, because all of these like Vigans and sport packages, they almost always have the covers missing, so that's awesome. It has some, I don't know what this was about, but that's going away. The top is in pretty good shape. There is a rip, unfortunately, over here on this side, but otherwise the body is pretty clean. A few dings here and there, but no major issues with the body. And the interior, it's got the Vigan seats. Oh, before I get more into it, it is an automatic. This time I actually wanted an automatic because, you know, I moved to California and I just wanted a comfortable cruiser, top-down cruiser that I can drive on the weekend, and that my wife can drive on the weekend as well. So I'm like 35 right now, and I realized that not every car has to be a manual, so automatics are okay. And then the dash, I guess this had the silver trim or something. It doesn't have that anymore. A little bit sagging on the side door panel there. The rear seats looks pretty brand new, basically. And everything else, this thing doesn't have any. This right here, it broke, so I'm gonna have to fix that. So that's been a quick introduction to my new SAAB project. I hope you guys are excited as I am because I think this car has a lot of potential. This is my first time owning a convertible, so if you guys have any recommended products, tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Oh my.
Look at that.
Oh my. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Is it awesome or awesome?
Awesome.
Say awesome.
Awesome.